We've all seen the results of Glacial Lake Missoula floods here in eastern Washington, but how do we even know the lake was there? Hi, I'm Tom Davis, and today I'm going to go to Montana to look for evidence of Glacial Lake Missoula. The first evidence we have of a glacial lake in western Montana is its sediments. These are glacial varves, which are kind of like tree rings in that they record the seasons of the year. These thicker, light-colored layers represent the summer when melt is high and so is the energy of the lake, which makes them coarser grained than the winter sediments, which are darker. We can actually time the fill of the lake with these. Here we can see the Missoula Aquifer, a large body of underground water that currently keeps everyone's lawns supernaturally green. The aquifer sits in a huge gravel deposit left behind by the floods. Having high porosity, the gravel has trapped the lake water and now recharges the Clark Fork as it runs through town. The Missoula Aquifer isn't the only leftover water from the floods. Here in northern Montana is Flathead Lake, the largest freshwater body west of the Mississippi River. This area represents one of the low points in the basin that couldn't fully drain, so this lake got left behind. There's a hierarchy of bed structures that form under increasingly high flow velocities, and at the top are anti-dunes. In 1942, J.T. Pardee described anti-dune structures on the Camas Prairie with 60-foot wavelengths. Near the airport, we see massive dunes with 1,000-foot wavelengths, like the ones I'm driving over now. Then there's all the litter picked up from Hellgate Canyon and dropped in the valley. These boulders were picked off the sides of Hellgate Canyon by huge tornado-like vortices called colks that formed in the very fast-moving waters that funneled through the narrow canyon. And here on the side of Mount Jumbo you can see some of the shorelines of Glacial Lake Missoula. These are erosional features formed by wave action against the slopes, which record the maximum height of the lake at its 40 or so fillings. The trenches running downslope are scars left by underwater mass wasting events. And that's some of the evidence of Glacial Lake Missoula that you can see in Montana. Thanks for watching.